Hey y'all, I'm working on my DT project for Sunflowers and Dors using her new Sunflower and Labradors kit. I printed out some pockets. I went ahead and cut this pocket out, and then I inked around it with Distress Oxide in Vintage Photo. And you just fold the sides and the bottom on the line that she provided. And I'm going to use this pocket on the inside of the cover here. I'm going to use some Eileen's tacky glue. And the first thing I'm going to do is glue this bottom flap down just a little bit. Now you want the bottom flap on the outside so that when you're putting things in the pocket, they don't get stuck on that little flap. And then I'm going to glue along all the edges of this flap. And I'll be spreading it out a little bit with my fingertip just to make sure I get good adhesion all around. Okay, now I'm just going to glue that into place. I printed some tags from the kit. These are the large tags that she provided. And I'm going to cut a tag out. Now I did print these on cardstock. I did not print anything on the back of these. So I'm going to use some cheap lined steno pads, these in yellow. And I'm going to use this for my backing paper. Bonus, it's lined, so I don't have to worry about adding lines later or stamping lines onto the back. You'll also find when watching my videos that I tend to mix new things, old things, pricier things, and cheaper things together. It helps me keep the cost of making journals more affordable and hopefully gives people ideas of things that they could use that's sitting around the house. I mean, most people have some kind of little lined notepad somewhere laying around the house, and you can definitely utilize these things. These smaller notepads I get in a 3-pack at Walmart or one of the mini dollar stores. I want to say they're less than $3, maybe around $3 for the 3-pack. Very affordable. You could also use yellow junk mail envelopes. They make very good backing papers. Just trimming around the tag again. Now I'm going to do some inking with my Distress Oxide in Vintage Photo all around the edges, and I'm also going to ink the back. I actually really like the tone that I got when I inked up that yellow steno pad. Just lightly distressing across a little bit of that. And I'm done. And it'll fit right in this pocket. Thanks for watching, y'all.